Our Honorable Chief Guest and Innovator Sri Mevar Kumar Jamatia. Director of Tribal.
Khaye, sengcini culture no, develop khane ba seng chesta khaitom. Nero dogma satro student, seng saibano je boro culture involved nai. Sonduk bosani mantri. Somebody announce me Tiprasa mantri. Somebody announce me Jonajati mantri. Where do we stand? The name itself were announced and pronounced differently. Now what we are? Sintamo, nenge Tiprasa, nenge Boro, nenge Sundu Bosong, nenge Jonajati. We are living in a crisis of identity. This is a fact. If we call Bengali, can you call differently? Bengali is Bengali. There is no other name. Mizu is Mizu. There is no other name. But we are. Somebody call me Tiprasa. Somebody call me Borok. Somebody call me Sonduk Bosong. Somebody call me Jonajati. Somebody call me Tribal. Somebody call me Adivasi. What is your name? What is your identity? This we are facing. Our people are facing the crisis of identity. What a pathetic situation we are. We have glorious history. Most people, will feel unsafe. The young generation is losing their identity because the counting method, how we count. Through counting, through pronouncing, we can identify who he is. For human being, sung borong ta hamba, sung borong kita misasung, koroksa iso, koroksa, korok ni bokrok, koroksa. If you say koroksa means it is human being. Koroksa, korok ni koroktam. We count human being differently. We respect. We honor. Our counting itself we honor. Koroksa, korokli means he is a human being. When you say masa mangli, singtam sa, two animal. Posunus galako. Musuk masa, musuk mangli, maktam, mabri, madok. That means it is animal. See, in any other language they have. We count differently. Even than animal and human being different. Koroksa koromli is human being. Masa mangli, animal. What a rich language you have got. Kintu, chini basa, chini kok development. Till today, I have come across recently, our language script is not identified. There is no decision in cabinet government. There is no decision of government, whether Bengali or Roman script. There is no decision. Somebody said Bengali script is compulsory. No. There is no any decision in government. Kok Borok will be written in Bengali script. No. There is no decision. Kok Borok will be written in Roman script. There is no decision. But unfortunately, some people say we have to write Bengali as compulsory. Bengali script is compulsory. No. There is no decision in government. This way we are misuse. So no, how long? how long it will go like that? We have to be very serious. Sing kahang jin hai namu. Sing busak bukui dong sinai. Jin bang kia bukerui. Bani bagai, jin kok, jin tamu zaman, jin identity, sing kamang itu. As a social worker, as a student, I came from student organization. For the last 25-30 years, I am struggling for my people, for my state. For the first 30-25 years. And Simon, I have been through and through. Kintu chini missing gochen, sing common, sing laimia. Bani bagai, this right time, right situation, sing siento manai, sing siento manai, sing kaisha manai, sing wangchamu kaisha, kakamu kaisha, mutumu kaisha sing manai. Otherwise, sini bawshat balai, hamyan nai. Sing tanchang lai meya. Sini borok, bangsa sing bru uriang, Jomatia, Deborma, Koloi, Rubini, Halam. Why? Why you were like that? Tanu jong hang na. You go to Mizoram, Mizo, Naga. Naga have 45 tribes. Patalista tabro tribe, but then Naga. Mizo, more than 30 tribes, but then Mizo. Bengali, so many different languages, but then Bengali. But their language is also different. But still they're Bengali. We, Jomatia speak Kokborok, Deborah speak Kokborok, Riang speak Kokborok, Rupani speak Kokborok, Lokola speak Kokborok, Tipura speak Kokborok, Novate speak Kokborok. We have same language, little different. But Mizo, day and night different. Naga, totally different language. Because I know very well. But in Tangkhul Tongo, Sema Tongo, Ao Tongo, totally different. Their language day and night. Kaisa kiske pusilaya? Kevar ke bor pusilaya? But they are Naga. Jengkai, Ang Sabu Kok Borok, Deborah Masu Kok Borok, all same. Kintu Jengkai, Ang Deborma, Khotriya Samas, Ang Jomatia, Hoda, Ang Koloi, Ang Riang Bru. Busing kapal hamia. What unfortunate we are. You young generation should understand. No Sika rock, Juan rock, educated rock, no mas by name. There's Moni Bagai, since my mother nine. Otherwise, Tinang Tinba Balai Hamyan nine. Politics is not important. You may do any political party, I don't mind. Political is not permanent. It is tangible political. But your community, your language, your land, your communities will remain intact, permanent. Party may go, party may come. Then most of the couple of years. Tak punya cini kok, tinggal lagi macam. Kau pernah tinggal lagi aku. Borong sejini besar rich culture, rich language. Because I have been visited many countries. And Simon, I have been in Germany for the language seminar. Arwang Oksaka, they wonder. The way I have explained many things, Marosago, what a wonderful language. And the because I have visited many countries, in many seminars I have attended. But something in this culture. Kintu, back to Tripura, so get this namaya. No sinangai, which is right and which is wrong. No sinangai. No blind tongue. Blind sabotandi. You have to be authentic. You have to be right person. Neng omang na hesi. Buisaka neng ngabhaya. Because we are all human being. Neng bad and good, negative, positive, neng tidak maklum.